we are making the designs. Let's keep editing there and paint. We have to use the shapes. Let's make the changes there. Again, I will take another shape. So we have to make the changes. Let's try the designs there. Also, we will find the colors to add it.